In this video, we'll manage physical materials and appearances. After completing this step, you'll be able to apply a physical material and apply an appearance. In Fusion 360, we want to carry on with our trigger design. Now we want to talk about physical materials and appearances. To get started, we're going to go into our bodies folder and into body 1, and then we're going to right click and we want to select physical material. When we select physical material, it'll bring open the Fusion 360 material library. Note that there's a drop down for materials, additive materials, nonlinear materials, and favorites if you've saved any. We're going to be using the default Fusion 360 material library. We want to go down into plastic, and we're going to select ABS plastic. In order to apply this, we can drag it over the current appearance or material that's in this design, over the body or component, or over it in the browser. Any of these three methods will work, but note when we apply it to the body in the canvas area or in the browser, that it still leaves the steel material, which is default. Anytime we have an appearance or a material that is not being used in the design, we can always unassign and delete it. But note that this is the default, and this will usually be in the design unless we drag and drop something over it. So for right now, we're going to leave the steel inside of here as well as our ABS plastic, and we're going to select closed. Now that we have the ABS plastic, we want to change the appearance of it. The physical material is important for things like going into the properties, figuring out the mass of your design, especially if you're going to do any simulation downstream. But oftentimes, the physical material and the appearance are going to be different. Short of making a custom physical material that has a special appearance applied, we can right-click on the body and we can go into Appearances, or you can hit A on the keyboard. The appearances will be only applied to the surfaces of the body, and they won't affect the physical material. It'll still be an ABS plastic part, however, we're going to change the color. Note that it has ABS white and steel satin in this design. When we look through the materials or appearances that we have available to us, we're going to always go to the default Fusion 360 library. We can sort by simply typing in red and seeing what comes up. Or you can look through each level to figure out which one works best for you. Right now, there is an acrylic red, an aluminum red, an anodized, and then you'll notice that there are some others in here, paint enamel glossy red. And as we go down, you can see that we've got paint metallic red, plastic glossy red, and so on. Depending on what you want for your specific design, you can pick an appropriate appearance. In my case, I'm going to be using a plastic glossy red. I'm simply going to drag it onto that body and then close. Now, when we look at this, you can see that it's got the red appearance, but if we take a look at the properties of the body, it's still an ABS plastic material, just we have a different appearance applied. The hierarchy there allows us to get away with applying custom appearances over top of these physical materials. From here, let's make sure that we do save before moving on.